Last week, I was delighted to attend Merthyr Tydfil Civic Centre for the rededication of the plaque which honours volunteers from the town who joined the international brigades to fight fascism in Spain, a fight that they hoped would save Spanish democracy and avert a world war. The event was attended by relatives of the volunteers, and it was touching to listen to their stories about the commitment made by members of their families and to hear about the risks and dangers faced by the volunteers as they travelled to the front line for the battle against Franco and the fascists. Some did not return. The rededication was followed by the annual S.O. Davis Memorial Lecture organised by the Merthyr Tydfil Trades Council. The lecture was delivered by local historian Hugh Williams. Hugh's lecture was a reminder of the deep international roots held within communities all across Merthyr Tydfil. This, of course, included people of Spanish origin who had come to Merthyr to work during the employment boom, some of whom later returned to Spain to fight alongside the international brigades. So this plaque links together one part of Merthyr Tydfil's rich political heritage with events in Spain of the past and indeed of the present. It reminds us all that we forget our history at our peril. Today, wise heads in Spain and Catalonia are at this very moment thinking carefully about their history. And so I hope we remember this important part in our history by acknowledging the sacrifice of those from Merthyr Tydfil and across the South Wales valleys who volunteered for the international brigades to fight for democracy and against fascism in Spain. No pasaran.